Hello everyone, welcome to Sri Commerce classes. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the topic of hire purchase system. In this session, we are going to learn the meaning of hire purchase system and the essential features of hire purchase system. Before going to the meaning of hire purchase system, let us have some introduction related to the hire purchase system. There are many ways to purchase and sell the goods, but the most widely used methods are cash sales and credit sales. Under the cash sales, the buyer will purchase the goods by making the cash payment. Under the credit sales, the buyer will purchase the goods, but he will not make the immediate payment. He will make the payment in lump sum on a future date or installment over a period of time. If the goods are purchased on credit, the payment will be made in installment or lump sum. But if the payment is made in installments over a period of time, that means it is called installment purchase system or hire purchase system. Now, meaning of hire purchase system. The meaning of hire purchase system can be understood by go through with these points which are mentioned here. The first one, it is a system which refers to the seller will deliver the goods to the buyer without transferring any ownership of that goods, but the buyer will make the payment of that goods through the installments. The second, if the buyer makes all the payment of that goods, the ownership of that goods will be transferred to him. That means he has to pay the all installment money. Once he pay that installment money, the ownership will be transferred to the buyer after clearing the last installment. However, if the buyer stops making the payment of installment money, the seller can retake his goods whichever he has given under hire purchase system for non-payment of installment. But earlier, whatever the money is paid by the buyer to the seller, it will be not returned to him. It is treated as hire charges or rent for using that goods. So here the buyer is having two different options. If the buyer is interested to purchase that goods or asset, he can purchase the goods or asset by clearing all the installments. If he is not interested to buy that assets or goods, means he can return to the seller after using it. So therefore, this system is called hire purchase system. The essential features of hire purchase system. By go through with these essential features of hire purchase system, we can also understand the meaning of hire purchase system in a best way. The first important feature of hire purchase system is it is an agreement between hire vendor and hire purchaser. The hire vendor is also called as hire seller and hire purchaser is also called as hirer. The agreement which is made between them is called as hire purchase agreement. The second feature of hire purchase system is the agreement involves the possession of the goods by the seller with an option to hire or purchase by the seller. That means the buyer is having two options under the hire purchase agreement. If the buyer interested to purchase the goods, he can purchase, or else if he want to return, he can return after using it. The third important feature of the hire purchase system is the payment of that goods whichever is purchased under hire purchase system by the hire buyer, that will be paid only in installments. That cannot be paid in lump sum. If that amount is paid in lump sum, it is not considered as hire purchase system. Fourth essential features of hire purchase system is if the hire purchaser pays all the installment, the ownership of the goods will be transferred to him after the payment of last installment. The fifth point, if the hire purchaser fails to pay the installment money, the owner can retake, he can take back the goods or asset which he has given under hire purchase system. But the earlier money which is paid by the purchaser to the seller, that will not return to him. That is considered as hire charges or rent for using that goods. The next point, hire purchase price always involves or includes principal amount plus interest. That is why we used to say hire purchase price is equal to cash price plus interest. That's all. In this class, we have understood the meaning of hire purchase system and the essential features of hire purchase system. I hope you all are understood well. Please support me by watching my online classes. Thank you.